niggas is dead. Elite Battle Arena. This shit ain't for everybody.
I bust me some moves, I ran up some money, my clique full of wolves. I swung with piranhas, my knot full of blues. I kept it 100, my niggas was down. I prayed for a come up, I had to go get it. Wasn't looking for sponsors, neck full of jewelry, put that on your honor. Fuck doubling up, I needed the triple, I'm falling in love. I need to be with you, I'm sliding through states with some shit that's illegal. Just be the case, but it was a brief one. Had 50K in it, plus 6 underneath it. But those to the bill make you freeze when you see it. Ballin' so hard that they ended the season. Smoke on the rip that they couldn't believe it. I like my bitch toxic, she tastes like a Reese. Might fly out just to stay for the weekend. That ain't my girl, but she beg when she see me. Might knock her off and then leave when she sleeping.
Elite shit.
I see you in the building.
You want sensitive ass nigga, dog. You can't have sick, something trash. Oh, you the man when you a gummy right there, man. You ain't getting hella views. So you right, fuck. Take the right. Fuck you.
I see you in the building.
Listen, no kidding, I fuck with the elite. Hey, look, I'm finna catch a murder. Right here with the evidence. I'm back.
Everybody got a coin, and you know, wait for time. It's a rap league, the league battle, the BARTOBER fest. I know well, we out of anything. It's for a reason.
You a dumb nigga. For letting them talk, you only taking this shit, bro.
I know.
We don't be tripping as y'all vibe. Shit look much different from our side. It go from lit to the dark side. Said enough, level up. I pull a shit out the archives. I'm making hits out of all lives. Thought he had drip, but it's all dry. It's not enough, level up. I'm 1 up on you, 2 up on you, 3 up on you, 4 up on you, 5 up on you. Should I keep going? It's not enough, level up. 6 up on you, 7 on you, 8 up on you, 9 up on you, 10 up on you. Shit ain't normal. Keep going, level up. They thought I was down for the count. Can't even count and they counted me out. Now I'm paying.
You really ain't in my vision. And shorty out trying to get chose. And you niggas out here tripping. I'd rather have that back to be known.
Elite shit. Elite Battle Arena. This shit ain't for everybody.
First pistol. It's about to be a good one, y'all. It's a 1-rounder. Pack your coin. You going first pistol? Let's get it poppin' in the Rap League Elite Battle Arena.
This should have been a 3-round.
Pistol versus MIGO Slime. Let's go, let's go.
Hear ye, hear ye. I'm back. And yes, it has been a very long time. For that reason alone, you might as well let me go, Slime. I'm gonna tell you like this, dog. You are not gonna win. I'm gonna beat your ass so bad, you gonna wish somebody to jump in. You know, me and Elise is drinking buddies. And every time we drink, they always say some bar I said against Bach. Talk about my fashion. You know them shoes I had on versus Skip Jones sold out. They no longer in stock. But then they brought you up. They said in 1 month they put a rise to your stock. So since you employee of the month, I put your face on the wall and give them a permanent parking spot. Talk them out. Shit you barking about don't deserve no applause, nigga. I mean, we all know you ain't working towards being the board member. That's that fake shit. But what True do, it be all authentic. So I can't be the one you paint like a saint, cause we all sinners. You old, I've been working this grave shift and I ain't made shit in the face, bitch. whoever sold you that fake gun should have told you a real pistol's nothing to play with. And off the top, I'm about to roast you. I ain't gonna hold you, dog. Now off the top, I'm about to roast you. I ain't gonna hold you, dog. You and Tezzy both look like y'all jump out of Pokeballs. Hold on. So which one of them Lynn Street niggas is your trainer? I pull a 4-4 on this slow poke, bow. It's a no-brainer. Hold on. Imagine you just sliding down Vine, and out of nowhere out jumps a wild MIGO slime. Yeah, he wild. That's facts, son. Hold on. Yeah, he wild. That's facts, son. But I got something that'll put him to sleep and make it easier to catch one. And now that that's done, but I'm still brandishing my imaginary cap gun from Capcom. You know everybody's got one. The difference is that if it was real, I'd still be the one to clap one. I hope you know a doctor while he charged up thinking he got me flustered. They gonna have to rush him to the ER cause the cannon blew this mega buster. Oh, y'all ain't get that? Dr. Wiley? Rush? Cannon blew mega? Y'all still don't understand? Well, I'm just killing a nigga with another nigga weapon. I'm Mega Man. Nigga, click full of stars. And y'all say he the one bringing hell to the people? Well, I guess this devil may cry when he find out my Resident Evil. They telling the people, this pipe smoker gonna get over on the beholder in October? Laughable practical joker. Be remedial, and I'll immediately yoke you. It only took him 3 years to get me to even approach you, and even on social media, you mediocre. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pistol by now, I'm sure you heard of me. I have been attacking them verbally, now it's actually hurting them. On standby, they're gonna have emergency to services, but don't think for a second that his safety is a certainty. I'm here to murder him. Now that we face to face, it's no longer odd why you never seen with a smile. How's about I punch you on that side of your mouth and even it out? Now you damn squad. Man, somebody pray for this child. You thought Casino and Skip them was really holding you down? Is you lacing your lap? I mean, they never really let you in. So it ain't like they kicking you out. I was happy that you joined them. Hold on, I was happy that he joined them though. I mean, it's just something I did. I see why you called that group home. You needed somewhere to live. I catch your mother going to the store, and boy, I'm gonna open the door for her. I'm nice. Yeah, you do see them gun bars, but this is something you never seen in your life. I could be polite. Those shoes, ooh, tight. And even though you went downhill with skis, you put up a fight. Alright, you never been a G. Honest. That's why them niggas ain't feeling them. This nigga Mal, I throw bucks and get his middle 10. You live in hotels. You don't even live on land. Stop reaching. That little punk ass phone you got, it's not ringing. Talk about junkie swing yo dough. Stop tweaking. The only motherfucker swing yo dough is housekeeping. I want bars so cold, God made COVID to stop it. Boy, I was gonna put hands on jeans like, nigga, where the fuck is my wallet? Oh, I got it. And this is nonsense. I'm giving you top 6. You think you hot, but you not, bitch. That's a freestyle. I'm done with this.
Make some noise, y'all. That was Pistol round 1.
Friends in this business. Oh no. Cooler when it's all on fruits. Fly nigga when I'm down 10 toes. Won't let them take me out my mood. You really ain't in my vision. And shorty out trying to get chose. And you niggas out here tripping. I'd rather have that back to be known. Ice on my neck feeling froze. Hold on my chest feeling froze.
Round 1 on MIGO Slime. Let's get it.
Hey, fuck that nigga up, Migo.
I say,
Let's go, Migo.
out of all these hoe ass niggas, I said, fuck what Pistol say. If Pistol play, it's Pistol play. Pistol better be with one of his day ones. Cause today, it ain't pistol day. I'ma lift his spree for the gas. Like, yo. Pistol say. If pistol play, it's pistol play. Pistol better be with one of his day ones, cause today, it ain't pistol day. I'ma lift his spray for the gas. Like, yo, catch pistol while he waiting in line. And since he think he ain't battle G's, I got the 2 folds now. What that mean? What? The nigga still gonna get the 8 on his mind. Out of all my favorite hoe ass niggas, pistol my favorite hoe ass nigga. Let me step inside your jurisdiction. It's true. What is he talking about? What is he talking about? True, nigga. Fuck out of here. I say, yo. Now let me step inside your jurisdiction. But I'm here to apply pressure with brute force and cruel intentions. From pistol to pistol, it's a mirror image. Then whack him with it and up another one and make him think it's double vision. Focus, nigga. Fuck Pistol P. A headshot to you. Hey, did he come with you? J2, Land Cruiser. I say the only nigga ain't getting left cold is Freeze, nigga smoking weed. That's my medication. But killing you niggas, that's a good way for me to release my frustration. But when you rap, you sound like a cop, and I ain't no rat. So this ain't no conversation, it's more like interrogation. But talking to you niggas, shit, that's what probably got Freeze under investigation. Cause you's a bitch. Pussy. I can see the estrogen in your melody. A headshot or turn that masculine skeleton into gelatin. Bitch, I'm known for arrogance. Hold him like a 17 split, strike him to take his boys out. I ain't sparing shit, nigga. He's a bitch. Say it again. I say, nigga, he's a bitch. And I'm a killer. I only came here for op top, but I done bodied niggas in so many different games that shit. It makes me the top out. And I'm disrespectful. I'm still smoking on Cruiser and Shaka packs, but I got pounds of a lot of dead niggas. And where I'm from, Lynn, you could get shot for the wrong Facebook, nigga. I'm talking lit the fuck up. Like using the hashtag on Facebook, nigga. Bitch, I been spazzing. Bitch, I been spazzing. Pistol, I'm talking about blacking out. You might be the one and true, but bitch, I'm terrible too, and I get the acting out. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. I heard. Intriguing. I said no. I heard you was balling now. Well, let me not get what I want. I'm gonna let the baby throw a tantrum to everything getting falling out. 2 Ninas, Brandy and Monica. And they both been on hits, but picture this. The Boy Is Mad video on Pistol, the nigga did the cheating shit. Nigga, bow! Brandy get the holler. Nigga, bow! Monica get the holler. He thought cause they was beefing, he still had both them bitches, but at the end of the day, after all that hiding, he got dropped by both them bitches. Oh. Impressive. Or I can let the semi fly, fam. But I'd rather make Pistol fight the pistol and make it look like a scene from the Gemini Man. And it look just like it. But to you, it's a complete stranger till I up it. And show you it's a doppelganger. Bitch, I can get you smoked. I say, nigga, I'll get you smoked. Exotic. My paid shooter's got the eye of the tiger, but he ain't never seen like a Black Panther. He'll leave you. Man, that cat make me feel like Joe Exotic. But battle rapping, Pistol, this shit a side hustle to a side hustle. I'm an entrepreneur, a trafficker, the driver and the muscle. I'm a shooter. I say I'm a shooter, the spokesperson, the salesman, the janky ass promoter. Nigga, I'm the CEO, the CFO, nigga, I'm the motherfucking owner. And I heard you fuck with trainers.
The rap media.
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Let him finish, let him finish, let him finish. Hold it down.
What you heard?
Ain't fucking trannies. I say, but sadly, all because of the Steno stars, we all know what goes on down in P-Valley. But shit twisted. Freeze gonna get out acting like a little murderer. Pistols, Uncle Clifford. So who cares if you looking that tough, nigga? I'm a hitman, and you dying is a must, nigga. Damn squad.
Yeah, make some fucking noise!
Straight gas might serve your neighbor. In the streets or on the scene. Bill Jack, I make the plays. It's a little tiger, been a major pain. That's the way on that, I make some change. I don't start the house, I don't strike the strangers. Rich and silent, niggas broken things. I can go through, but I won't steal. Any 14 Ks and leave open faces. Shell catches, so it's open cases. Straight gas, so I smoke the greatest. I want the bag, so I hustle that. When it touch down, it's like a pass from bread. Rap game in trouble, and I had to say. Let's go, hustle, 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 hustle. Don't let them knock you